When science and faith inform one another, John Paul II captured it best. He said, science can purify religion from error and superstition, and religion can purify science from idolatry and false absolutes. And he continued, he said, each can draw the other into a wider world, a world where both can flourish. That quote has inspired me again and again in all of the work that I do at the seminary and in other places to try to relate faith and science to each other. Really seeing that it's precisely in their interaction, once that interaction is healthy, kind of like a friendship, where each is respected, where the one is not turned into the other, that science and theology both learn their limits and also take on new points of view and new perspectives that help them see God's creation in ways they had not seen before.
Yes, I think it's very critical that we re-examine the interface between science and religion, because both of them usually deal with the same issue. For instance, such as the issue of life, human dignity, the human person, end of life issues, the beginning of life issues, reproductive issues. And so we need to be able to understand it from different perspectives, both the scientific perspective as well as the spiritual dimension of it too as well. And so when we're dealing with these critical issues, such as life and creation, we need to have a broad understanding, both the physical dimension and the spiritual dimension too as well. So it's absolutely fundamental that seminarians and future priests and religious leaders have a good solid foundation.
I think it looks something like when science and faith inform each other and have a positive relationship to each other, it looks something like the image of the body of Christ that St. Paul described in 1 Corinthians 12, where each member brings their own gifts for the good of the whole body. And I think when scientists bring their insights and their understanding, when the theologians bring their insights, their understanding, each member contributes something for the good of the whole.